Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to unenroll from a course in Coursera. Now the first thing I want you to do is just open up Coursera, log in, and here in your dashboard, if you see the course that you want to unenroll from, just come here next to the course, click on these three dots, okay? And then you'll see a bunch of different options on this drop down. What we're interested in is the last option right here. As you can see, it says unenroll. Okay, just go ahead and click on unenroll right there. So just do that. And once you do that, they'll give you this pop up asking you whether or not you're sure that you want to unenroll. And all you need to do is click on yes, unenroll, and this course will no longer appear on your dashboard, but your progress will be saved and you can re-enroll anytime if you change your mind. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.